Okay, so passwords are like everybody's thing where they can never remember a password, especially if you don't use a website as often, or sometimes you just can't remember your password. So this tutorial basically is going to show you how to reset your or change your PayPal password. And if this is the first time that you are tuning into my channel, Clueless Tech Finds, please don't leave without subscribing. I know it's a lot of random videos about random clueless tech, but even if you don't want to do it for the videos, do it for me because you love me. Anyway, stay tuned for the video.
We will go to PayPal and it would be paypal.com. You need to log into your account, of course, your username, password, and then you log in. Now we want to click at the top here this settings knob or button. You click there. And then we click security, and it says password, create or update your password, and then we click update. Now they would like you to confirm your current password, so you just put it in, and then it says enter your new password, keep your account more secure, don't use your name. Okay, so you put in the desired password that you would like to use. And as long as they match, you put it in the first time, you put it in the second time just to ensure it matches, and then you change your password. So it says your password is successfully updated, and they're going to ask you to log in again, of course, because they want to ensure you know what your password is.
If you have a PayPal that you have funds on and you have like an issue with getting those funds from your PayPal, like you just need the cash ASAP or something like that, I may be able to help. So feel free in sending me an email at rgcjamaica@gmail.com, or send me a direct message on Instagram at Denny Girl Jo. All of my social media links are in the description box down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.